Hey Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush, the Discover Boss. So right here in Portmore, in the Portmore Pines area, right off the Municipal Boulevard. And today we're gonna do a walking tour of the Sovereign Village Shopping Center. So definitely stay tuned. Remember to like. Liking the video helps YouTube and helps the algorithm to push the video to persons that probably have never been on the channel before. Remember to share the video so more people can see. Remember to leave a comment. Let me know what you think about this shopping center, Sovereign Village. And definitely subscribe if you haven't yet done so. Subscribing is completely free. So these are some of the shops outside. We see Digicel, we see Fish Pot, that's a restaurant, Blake's Water Store, some Chinese restaurants, Subway, and Progressive Grocers, trading as Progressive Foods. Lots of parking space. You also have Wendy's down this side. And then Domino's Pizza as well. Then across the road from them is the Scotia Bank. So this is a commercial area that is quickly developing right over here in Portmore. You have a lot of plaza along this side, because right beside this one is about 2 or 3 other plazas, which we'll try to cover as well in videos that will come after this one. You also have some call centers close by as well. So Portmore Pines area developing very quickly at a very fast pace. This is one of the main commercial areas in Portmore as well. So that's a plaza under construction right there. Alright, so from the outside we are going to go inside just to get a better look as well. So stay tuned while we do a quick plaza tour of Sovereign Village. Alright, so we won't be able to go into every shop, so I'll highlight as much as I can. They have Monarch Pharmacy, Express Fitness Gym. So some of the areas in this plaza has 2 floors. So you guys will be able to see that when we get inside. City Dental, Sammy Shoe Store. Have Brit Brand Fashion. Alright, so I did a previous video over here before a while back, so I'll put that video in the comments so you guys can see what has changed. I don't think much has changed, but we'll see. So that's a mega plaza, 1, 2, 3, 4 floors, and it's beside 2 call centers right there. I'll also put the video covering that plaza. I did a drone video of that area that shows everything that's happening on that stretch, so you guys can check it out if you haven't yet done so. Directory for the Sovereign Village. Then these are some of the shops. You guys can always pause and see them. Alright, so let's head into the food court area and get some shots. Alright, so we know it's Christmas. Christmas is in the air. It's my favorite time of the year. Anybody else watching that loves Christmas? Oh, Christmas is always a nice time for me. Love the vibes, the family, the food, the festivity. What's the which time of the year do you guys like? Let me know. So Sovereign Village Mall slash shopping center right here in Portmore. It's very big in size. There's a lot of land space over this side, so they use it up quite nicely. Lots of shops, lots of space. Because of Corona, you don't really have any seat for dining. This area is a part of the food court as well. Restaurant upstairs. Alright guys, so Sovereign Village, remember to leave your comments. Just a quick walkthrough showing the different shops and the current look of the plaza. So that's the food court section. I'll try to show the different food options a little better when I'm going back downstairs. Alright, so we are back on the outside. Then we're gonna go back on the inside, highlight the food court, and then we're basically finished. And remember to like, comment, share, and leave your comments. Alright, Island Grill. Do you guys like Island Grill? If so, what do you like buying here? Let me know. They try to portray some, authentic or authentic Jamaican dishes, jerk chicken, stuff like that. Alright guys, so Sovereign Village right here in Portmore. St. Catherine, Portmore Pines area. And I'll be checking out some neighboring plazas as well. So let me know what you guys think about this shopping center. We know Portmore is rapidly developing. Talks are there to turn it into a parish. Some persons are calling for it for another city, third city. Lots of housing development, lots of commercial development over here, lots of population. a very big workforce where a lot of persons travel back into Kingston as well. So let me know what you think. Remember to comment. Thanks for watching this video, and again I'll put in the comments a previous video that I did on the shopping center, and also the drone video for where they're building that new plaza that I highlighted. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you on another plaza tour. Alright guys, so we'll be heading over to the Sunshine Outlet Mall next, but I'll put that in another video, so you guys can definitely stay tuned for the Sunshine Outlet Mall. That's the home of Portmore First Cinema, or as we know it, movie theater. So you guys can wait for that video.